Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Emily. In this video I want to show you how to use the MRT feature in Windows 10. This is a feature that is very important, and it works the same way as Windows Defender or any other antivirus. It's going to help you search for viruses or any malware in your computer. So first you're going to place the cursor in the search box, then type MRT. Then you click to run the command. You need administrator privileges for you to be able to run this particular command. So we click on yes, and we let it open. Yeah, so it's going to open the Microsoft Windows malicious software removal tool. That is the name of the program or the feature. So basically it's just going to search for viruses or any malware in your computer, and if you have any, it's going to give you a summary of whatever that you have. So once this window is open, you click on next. Then in the next step there is a scan type. You can choose the scan type. You can have a quick scan. Quick scan is just going to do a survey in your computer and let's probably check where we have the malicious software and try to remove them. Then you have the full scan. This one is going to check the entire system from in all the drives, all the folders and subfolders and all the files. So this might take hours or even a day, depending on whatever that you have in your computer for it to complete. Then you can have a customized scan. This will allow you to select a specific location where you want to run the scan. So I'll choose customized option. Then I'm going to choose which folder that I want to be scanned, and in this case I'm going to choose the downloads folder. Then click select folder, then click on next. So hopefully it won't take too long. So we give it time for it to finish. Then we'll see what it is going to give us. If it has any virus, it's going to give you that report. If there are no malicious software in your computer, then it should be able to also tell you that. So we give it time to complete. Yes, finally it got to finish. And actually my computer has some malware items in it. So I'm glad I actually ran this, and let's see the detailed report of what's found in my computer. So I'll click on view detailed results of the scan, and you can see most of the files are not infected. I'm only looking for the ones that are infected. There's so many. Anyways, that's basically how that particular tool works, and the good thing is going to give you a summary of the report after scanning your PC, and once you're done, you click on finish. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe, like and share, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. See you in my next video.